buy something else, and I'm like,
Antidepressants may increase suicide.
you looking real strong over there. She's buff. She's really good. So buff. Old El Paso. Yes. This smells like cheesy board.
Unusual urges, dizziness on standing, seizures.
I'm gonna need you not to describe her face.
Don't just
like if someone was trying to make cardboard into chips that smell good. That.
I'm Adam Griffin, and I approve this message.
Let me see the face. Ah, that's the money shot. Look at you. She don't know what the fuck it is. She knows what the fuck it is. Look at
I
that.
put the whole goddamn thing in your mouth.
Tax on diesel for tractors and trucks. And I wrote the bill to suspend the gas tax.
I have like styrofoam and onion.
I took
It does.
Sacramento to protect our water.
And then I don't like the ending. You should try one.
That's why Valley sheriffs
You like that?
newspapers support me.
Should give it 2 shakes.
I'm the independent.
I give it a 2. There.
It tastes like something I had before.
It does.
What's the?
Probably El Paso's dip.
No, like a chip, like a little
It
combo.
tastes like they took a Cheeto and tried to updo a Cheeto.
What would you rate it?
4?
That's better than that hot.
A 2.
It was definitely better than hot honey. But it still wasn't hitting what it was supposed to be.
I give it a 3.
You give it a 3? What does it taste like to you?
Nothing spectacular.